Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you something important about I was busy about this competition, and I'm gonna share with you this competition everything. This is a private competition you can join, but if you have idea about how can we all win this competition, or you have idea anything, so you can share with me. I also share my email account, so you can email me uh, if you want to help me. This is gonna be really helpful. So first of all, this is the competition is a meme decoder competition. This is a competition rules. I'm not going to take details everything. You just stop this video and read everything, but I can understand. I will tell you about this dataset. This dataset is two part, is a training dataset and testing dataset, but this is a classification challenge. You have a political or non-political memes, so you want to find is political or non-political memes. So first of all, you come here and see this dataset is a taste and train. So you find this image in dataset, also find a CSV file. There is a decoding, which this is taste. Don't see this. Okay, here the image. You can find this type of image, and after this is kind of meme. So here the the decoding type is a not political or politic, so is a positive. That's mean non-politic and non is politic and non-politic, politic and non-politic labeling. So here this data set, here the 70% of non-politic and this 30% politic. So you can join this competition directly. That's the reason I download this dataset and download dataset and share this my another account. So here this dataset I download. So you come and try to code it. So if you want to help me, please come here, and I also share this link in description. That's gonna be really helpful if you have idea how can we own this competition. Thank you guys. See you.